Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to hide that electrical wire that is so visible and so annoying coming out of your light stand or your lamp. Here's the lamp that we are referencing, and down at the bottom, look at that long cord. And the outlet that we're using for this lamp is right there in the corner. So our goal is to make that cord only about 1.5 feet long. I have the lamp positioned on its side, and here is the bottom of the base. And this is where the cord goes in, and most lamps have this feature. As you can see here, the base has a lot of space underneath the lower frame. And where the cord goes in, you can actually continue inserting the cord and position this cord in the space provided under here. And sometimes it's easier said than done, but we're going to do it. Got the lamp exactly positioned where we want it, and there again is the outlet. Back to the cord, we're just going to slowly continue to insert this cord all the way in until we get it to a point where it's the proper measurement or length that will allow us to plug it in without having all this cord laying around on the ground. So there it is. Here's the end of the cord. So I need a little bit more, a little bit more. There it is, and a little bit more. So hopefully your lamp has that feature and will allow you to do that. That's it. I hope the video helped. Hey, do us a huge favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notifications, because once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.